এবং সংস্থাকে রিপোর্ট জানানোর কথা বলেছে রাষ্ট্রসংঘের তথ্য অনুসন্ধানকারী দল। এ নিয়ে ঢাকা থেকে বিস্তারিত জানিয়েছেন প্রসার ভারতীর প্রতিনিধি নাভাল সাং পারমার।
Team will be in Bangladesh for a month, and during this time they will interview and acquire the information from the individuals, groups, and organizations or political parties whoever want to submit their testimonials or the first-hand information which is not in public domain to the fact-finding team. And there are many groups once they came to know that this kind of fact-finding team is coming to Bangladesh, so they have given their representation. They wrote the letter to the team and they sought time and appointment for the meeting. And among them there are Bangabandhu groups and some minority groups have also sought a time and they will also meet and submit their testimonials. So based on this information, according to the press release of Human Rights Office, that they will publish a report and they will submit their report to the authorities, and the responsibility will be established, and they will submit the recommendation how to stop this kind of atrocity in future and what possible people. So this kind of things will prevent further this kind of atrocities or human rights violation in the Bangladesh.